Site number 1, which on the OS map does not exist, is yeah, well, the solar panels are a bit of a giveaway. I don't know if it's actually someone living here. According to the maps, there's no building. Because that has got a lot of solar panels. Just to show you that there are public footpaths here, even though there's signs saying private road, no access, it is a public right of way. And it's a hell of a long way to get down. But this is disturbing. According to the OS map, there are no buildings here. According to Google, there are no buildings here. It's just the way I was looking at the map, my spidey sense was tingling because all the topography looked like there has to be a building. At some point in the past there would have been a building. Holy fuck. You know, for a piece of scrub ground that does not exist, with modern water buckets, quite a few of them actually, that is a I'm not one of these who's going to turn the camera off and kick the door in. I don't do that. I'm not a destructive person. Unless someone fucks about with my vehicles. So, I'm assuming I can carry on down that way, down to the sea. If the door's open, I'm going in. But I'm not going to break in. I know a lot of people do. Even though, technically, that seems to be fixed at the bottom. Like I said, I'm not going to cause any damage. I'm not going to break in. But this is recently... my kneecap. This has recently been squished down. There's also a... It's got sewage as well. Is that a doorbell? I think that's one of these wind-up doorbells. Right, that's been nailed shut from the inside. Yeah, that's actually been nailed shut from the inside. I'm not going to break in. So if you want that kind of ubex video, go somewhere else. Because that is a beautiful house and I would not... it's got a Wi-Fi hub. That is a satellite uplink Wi-Fi hub. I don't know if it's showing on the camera or not. Zoom in, zoom in. It's difficult to see on my phone because of the sunlight. Oh, you can see it there. That's a... There you go. That is a satellite uplink for Wi-Fi. So someone's got Wi-Fi on this, in there. Another way you can find that is by looking at your own phone to see if you've got a Wi-Fi hub nearby. But, I mean, it's empty. That is a beautiful place. And given out how old it is, the windows are lead lined. You see all the bits in between in the glass? That's lead. Those are individual panes of glass in octagonal shape. That's actually lead lining it. So yeah, great if you get a nuke going off. The coat of arms has been removed. If you look up there, get that sunlight. That's a coat of arms and it's been scrubbed. You don't remove a coat of arms unless there's some kind of shame. So they've been scrubbed for some reason. I'm just wondering if there's... I am not physically capable of clambering around over walls, and I'm not going to go kicking indoors. So, another water bucket. Oh. Yeah, it hasn't been lived in for a while, and yet it does have internet access. And up there you've got a massive array of solar panels. So I'm wondering what's in the back. I'm not kicking the door in. Believe me, I am very tempted, but that's not my mentality. Because I don't know if that's not nailed. No. Oh, shit. Okay, so it wasn't nailed shut. Wow. Okay. All right, it was just stuck. Okay, there's no nails holding it shut. It was just a bit stuck. Okay, the phone stopped working conveniently. Just to show you that the door was actually just wedged. It wasn't nailed shut or anything. So there's water, which works. I'm not going to drink it because that's possibly from the rain bucket. So that's interesting. That could be a sewage air vent. Yeah, but so when I finish having a little look round, I'm going to have a wash. So I can just have a rinse down. I brought a flannel. That would have been the cellar, but it's been blocked up. Why would they block up the cellar? But it's been fixed in the past 40 years, because that cement is a type that's only used in the past 40 years. So Bergen can stay there for a bit. Right, and the back door's open. Fucking hell. Oh my God. Stone flag. It's got that. Oh, that's wrong. I do wonder if the power actually works. I've got nothing to plug into it. But, oh, I fucking love this. I used to live in a house like this years ago. Actually, the house I grew up in was similar. It was built in the, I think, 1750s. But that's the old fire poker and, oh my God. And like the wood. Fuck. It's like mahogany. But no dead bodies, no dead bodies, no dead bodies. Okay. It's got that musky smell. Not rotten, but it's like a musky smell that nobody's lived here for a long time. I've actually got two of these in my house. It's a shame. See, what you used to do, you used to put paper on your shelves for damp. That way your things won't stick to the damp. Oh my God, this place is fucking awesome. God, I sound so gay. I'm not gay, but this place is just absolutely fucking unbelievable. So it's even got the freaking chain on it. Oh, fuck me. I've got to take some pictures of this in a bit. I don't want to waste my battery with the torch on my phone, but it is just, I'm going to take some pictures of this. This is just beautiful. Oh, it's a naga. Or similar type. Is that a naga or not? I can't read it. Not with my glasses. It's just similar to a naga. It's basically a wood burner range. With this sort of thing, if it's got fire bricks in there. Oh my God, freaking poached eggs. So if you've got fire bricks behind there, you can burn coal and all kinds of stuff in there. And the way it works is, you light the fire, you've got your ash pit down here that you can scrape out the ashes. That's your little oven. Hang on, no, wrong way around. That's your fire pit. That's where you take the ashes out. And you've got your wood, your stone blocks in there so you can burn hot things. And that's your oven. And so the heat goes from there, goes up and around your hot plates, then around the oven, back around at the sides, then up the chimney. And that's your hot plates. God, that thing's heavy. It's only a small one, but dirty. Yeah, I had I think 3 at one point in the house, because you put a metal tank cast around the back of your burner, and that gives you hot water as well. Yeah, that's someone's got shit plugged in. That's the internet. So someone's actually got plugged in for internet. That is fucked up. Really, really washing up liquid. Someone is either camping out here, squatting here, electric cooker. I think somebody may have actually be squatting, because on the map it doesn't exist. It is just a blank on Google Maps. More thingies. I wonder if somebody has bought it and they're doing it up. I am not lifting the toilet seat. I am not lifting the toilet seat either. If you've got a functioning toilet, why don't you flush it? That's just nasty. Hot water tank. I don't think anyone's been in for a while from the cobwebs. But the fact that there's a toilet roll, I mean, is there... I'm not flushing the toilet. I don't want to touch the toilet seat. There's actually something behind that wall, but I don't know what, because there's no way to get to it. But yeah, all this original woodwork, see, that should open, but they built over it to build a toilet, because that should actually open to give you cupboards. Oh my God, is that? Ah. I really hate gas, it's so dangerous. Right, I'm not gay. The staircase. This is fucking awesome. The stairs look alright. Going up the stairs, grip it, but don't grip it all. Christ, I'm getting sunburnt. Don't grip it all the way, because you leave fingerprints behind. But if you have it a little bit, you can. These staircases are spongy as hell, and that is not brilliant. Don't step in the middle of the step. That's the weakest point. Step to the edges. Oh shit! Okay, I nearly went backwards. Somebody's been up here dragging bodies around. And they've painted. What the hell? This porn. Crap. It's all sex stuff. The field, country unclothed. Oh, it's a calendar. Oh, right, it's a naturist calendar. Right, boring. Weird. The working terrier, so dogging and nudity. I can't actually read any of the writing because I'm not wearing my glasses. That's weird. Best of sex in breed. I'm hoping that's to do with dogs. I do love... Ooh. For chopping wood. Oh, that's actually a saw blade inside a Stanley knife. That's been improvised. I mean, could you imagine living in a place like this without fucking view? And the windows actually work. Okay, somebody's been here in the past 6 months because otherwise that would be seized up. Oh, that's what you call a view. Please, no dead bodies. It was just weird finding a bit of soft porn. Ooh, I left the mirrors. Hello, mirrors. They're up on the roof. Holy crap, holy crap. Yeah, that might not be structural damage actually, that could just be the plasterboard. I mean, considering we're actually below ground level, because that's actually the bank all the way up to there. There's a lot of light coming in. God, I would love to have this place. I mean, yes, it would kill me with the hills, but whoa, that floorboard needs replacing. But this is fucking awesome. Holy crap. Yeah, this is... Okay, that needs to be replaced. But the roof is sound. It's just the damp accumulated. And a massive contraction between hot and cold. The plasterboard is basically just collapsed. And then somebody dragged a body through it, apparently. But yeah, this is... Okay, that's fucking awesome. I wasn't expecting to find much. I thought it's a blank spot on the map where there's nothing exists. Oh, that's a nice breeze. I still got a long way to go down there. I'm actually wishing I brought a phone charger now. Okay. Gonna have a rinse. Okay, bye-bye house. I'm not even sure which one this was on the map. But yeah, that is fucking beautiful. And the fact that it's got Wi-Fi is screwed up. Water supply is dodgy as hell because it's basically from the water buckets. I turned the tap, within 3 minutes the water stopped. So it's coming from water butts. That is your sewage. It's literally a big concrete box with loose concrete slabs on top and an air vent. That's your sewage works, which then or drains down into there. Every 20-30 years you have to empty it, onto the garden. So that's how it does in the olden days, or Ireland.